Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it's Naturally Nappy. And if you're old here, hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back. Today's video, we're gonna be using Uniqurl's product and I'm super excited to bring you guys this review. So please make sure that you like, you comment, you subscribe so that you can be here for the next video. You can be notified by hitting the bell. And we're gonna get right into it. Okay guys, so I have my towel here. We're gonna get right into it. I had a hot oil treatment on my hair this morning and now we are back to doing the style. It's like wet on the ends, but the roots are pretty dry. So I have my spray bottle here with water, of course. And then I have the Uniqurl shampoo here. So I'm going to open up this section and I'm going to spray it with my water bottle. Not completely drench it, but just wet enough so that when I apply the shampoo that it lathers. And then we can see how much slip this product gives to my hair. Super excited about that.
Let's talk about the Uniqurl Element Supreme Moisture Cleansing Shampoo. Gently cleanses, no stripping, and restores moisture for all hair types. The Element Cleansing Shampoo is your natural hair weekly reset. Reveal your natural curl pattern by cleansing away scalp and hair buildup while restoring moisture. Our Uniqurl blend of natural and organic ingredients power through tough tangles without stripping your hair. Follow with the Element Moisturizing and Silkening Deep Conditioner for a wash day win. I will list the website where you can find this product and the ingredients as well down in the description bar. Y'all, this product lathered up so quick and it was so soft, made my hair so... I just felt all the soap, even using a little bit of the product, it went a long way.
Okay, so first impression, look at these curls, baby. Look at them curls. They are popping galore. Look at this. I'm loving y'all. Okay, Uniqurl, come through with the moisture balance.
After rinsing out the product, the next thing we'll be using is the Moisturizing and Silkening Deep Conditioner, which promotes lymph retention and strengthens hair, which is for all hair types. The direction says to apply a generous amount from root to tip, making sure to concentrate on your ends. Leave on for about 15 to 20 minutes. Cover hair with the plastic cap and apply heat or steam for deep penetration and better results. While rinsing out, detangle with a wide tooth comb. Rinse completely and style using our Supreme Moisture Leave-In and oil. For best results, use every 1 to 2 weeks. The link and the ingredients will be listed in the description bar as well for all the products. Here I'm showing you guys the texture of the product is really creamy, but I'm telling you, putting this on your hair was something. It was really good. This one might be my #1 detangling conditioner. I put this product on my hair and the amount of slip that I got from it was out of this world. Like as soon as I started putting it on my hair, I just felt like I was running like jelly through my hair. It was just like it melted away all tangles. I was able to easily glide my hands through my hair. Detangling with this product was effortless. Like just running my hands through it a few times, I was able to get all the knots out all at once and then run the comb through and be perfectly fine. Next, we're on to the Aloe and Almond Moisture Sealing Hair Oil. It locks in moisture, illuminating shine, improves hair health, and is for all hair types as well. The Aloe and Almond Moisture Sealing Hair Oil is sure to help lock in all moisture from wash day to wash day. The oil blend is not only packed with penetrating oils to help the inside of your strands, but it also infused with glycerin to help attract moisture from the air and deposit it onto your hair. Dryness issues are a thing of the past if used in conjunction with our Supreme Moisture Leave Detangler. The direction says to apply a generous amount to the wet hair or dry hair. Long-lasting results is used on wet hair. Comb or brush through and style as desired. For long-lasting moisture and shine, layer on top of our Supreme Moisture Leave-In Detangler. I did it out of order, but yeah. Lastly, we will add the Aloe and Coconut Supreme Moisture Leave-In Detangler. It replenishes dry and thirsty hair, easily detangle, and nature infused, sulfate free, protein free, and is for all hair types. The directions say to apply a generous amount to hair that is wet or damp. Detangle with a wide tooth comb or detangle brush and style as desired. The Aloe and Coconut Supreme Moisture Leave-In Detangler replenishes dry and thirsty strands, restoring moisture and giving your hair long-lasting, luxurious hair. This advanced formula, infused heavily with organic oils, deeply penetrates the strands and melts away stubborn tangles. No need to layer products with this concentrated formula. You will love the way your hair feels after just one use, and I definitely can agree. My hair felt so soft using this product. It felt extremely moisturized. It didn't feel weighed down or anything. This combination of products together, the shampoo, the conditioner, the leave-in, and the oil, was a great combination. They work really well together. I didn't have to worry about flaking or like the product consistency just not being really good. So once I put it on my hair, it looked funny. It was perfect. And I am finished. Yes, this side has all 3 string twists. Check them out. And this side, I did regular 2-strand twists. And I only did that I just wanted to see how much how much difference in definition there would be. So once I take it down tomorrow, we'll be able to do a compare and contrast and say, okay, you know, I like these better because this takes a lot more time than this side. Oh my gosh, I guess because I perfected my 2-strand twist thus far, that's all I've been doing. It's like, okay, so this takes a lot more, but these hang lower, so my hair is stretched a lot more than my 2-strand twist. But still, we will see tomorrow. Okay, I am back to give you guys my honest opinion about these products, and that is, I love them. There is so much moisture in my hair. My hair feels soft. It's defined, and that's the part that was kind of baffling to me, because I thought because it was a, you know, just a leave-in conditioner that it wouldn't style as good as it did. I know I see people use it with wash and goes, but they have looser textures than I. So I was kind of hesitant on that, but I was here to give it a try, and I am wowed. The shampoo was awesome. The deep conditioner was awesome. The leave-in conditioner was awesome. The oil was a little lighter than I expected. I was expecting it to be a little bit, like I would have felt it more, and it would have like, I don't know, I just was expecting the consistency of it to be as thick as like an olive oil or like a Jamaican black castor oil, which is not. And I didn't really feel it going on, but you could definitely tell that it sealed in all of the moisture. My hair is not too oily. You can see that. It's not too oily. It's still, I can still lay on someone's couch and not make a grease mark. Because I was a little heavy with the oil, but it balanced out, which I really loved.
what I do want to talk about, so okay, this side is a 3-strand twist, this side is a 2-strand twist. I thought they would look the same. Of course, they look completely different. This side is more on the softer, fluffier side, and this side is more on the almost jerry curl like texture. But I love them both. I can't say that the product made this side look less defined than this one, or this side more defined than this side. It's just a technique of doing a 2-strand twist versus a 3-strand twist. But I'm able to see the difference, how this one hangs more and this one is more fluffier, which makes my hair look shorter. But again, the product made my hair so moisturized that I don't have to worry about, you know, retwisting throughout the week or it puffing up, because I guess like the product wears off. I guess that's the word you can say. I can definitely feel that this is gonna be a lasting wear. So yeah, let's get into this. Yes, look at these curls, baby. Yes, look at all this volume over here. I cannot wait until my hair gets longer so that my 2-strand twist can hang longer. And yeah, I like it a lot. I give this a 5 out of 5. I'm just running, my hair is becoming really blessed. I've been running into really good products. It's like the more I try more products, the better the product gets. So yes, thank you Uniqurl for allowing me to try your products and reviewing your products. And I will leave the information down in the description box so that you can check out that website and order some good stuff from them. And yeah, yes, I don't have any complaints about the products. It didn't flake on me. It did exactly what it said it was going to do. It said it was going to moisturize, and it did exactly that. Yes, 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 yes. I keep touching the 3-strand twist side because it's so curly, and like I saw it the first time, but you have to see a comparison to realize that they're 2 completely different styles. So yeah, I'm just seeing that now, and it's wowing me, to be honest. I'm trying to decide if I want to completely do 3-strand twist because it does require a lot more of my time, but I love the results. So yes. Yes. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.